Have you ever told yourself, "I'll start tomorrow"? But then, tomorrow comes, and nothing changes. Listen to me closely. Laziness isn't your problem. The real problem is that you've never trained your brain to be disciplined. You're waiting for a feeling that's never coming. But today, that cycle ends. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you 10 psychological triggers to turn even the deepest laziness into unstoppable momentum. Tip 1. The power of tiny wins. Most people fail because they try to overhaul their entire life overnight. They say, "Tomorrow I'm waking up at 5 a.m., hitting the gym for 2 hours, and eating only salads." By day 2, they quit. Discipline doesn't start big, it starts tiny. Don't aim for a 1-hour workout, aim for 5 minutes. Don't try to read a whole chapter, read 2 pages. Your goal isn't perfection today, it's showing up today. Build the habit first. The results will follow. Tip 2. Eliminate decision fatigue. Lazy people don't lack energy. They waste it on indecision. Should I do it now? Should I wait until after lunch? By the time you decide, your willpower is gone. Successful people don't think. They execute. They decide once, and then they follow the system. Fix your routine. Same time, same place. No debate, just action. Tip 3. Reduce friction. If a task feels hard, your brain will find an excuse to avoid it. So, stop relying on motivation and start relying on environment design. Want to exercise? Put your shoes next to your bed. Want to study? Leave the book open on your desk the night before. Remove the friction between you and the task. When action becomes easy, discipline becomes automatic. Tip 4. The 5-second rule. The moment you have the impulse to act, you have a 5-second window before your brain kills the idea with an excuse. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Physical movement stops the mental spiral. Action kills laziness. Thinking feeds it. Don't. Give your brain the chance to talk you out of greatness. Tip 5. Define your non-negotiables. You don't need more motivation. You need better rules. Build a non-negotiable list. Tell yourself, no matter what, I do 10 minutes of work today. Even if you're tired, even if you're not in the mood, you do it because it's a rule. Real discipline grows the moment your actions stop being controlled by your emotions. Tip 6. Protect the streak. What gets tracked gets improved. Get a calendar and mark a big red X every day you complete your task. After a week, you aren't just working anymore. You're protecting your streak. You won't want to break that chain. Your progress becomes a visual reminder of the person you are becoming. Tip 7. Shift your identity. Stop saying, "I'm a lazy person trying to get disciplined." Your brain believes every word you say. Instead, say, "I am someone who takes action." Change the story. Discipline isn't just something you do, it's who you are. When you change your identity, the habits naturally follow. Tip 8. Master your environment. You don't lack discipline, you just have too many distractions. If your phone is buzzing next to you, you've already lost. Control your environment so it doesn't control you. Put the phone in another room. Close the extra tabs. A focused environment creates a focused mind. Less noise equals more power. Tip 9. Harness the dopamine loop. Your brain is wired for rewards. Use that. After you finish a hard task, give yourself a small win. A short walk, a favorite song, or a 5-minute break. This creates a psychological loop. Work, reward, repeat. Soon, your brain starts to crave the work because it anticipates the win. You're literally making discipline addictive. Tip 10. The even-if rule. This is the golden rule. Discipline isn't about doing the work when you feel inspired. Anybody can do that. True discipline is doing the work, especially when you don't feel like it. That is where the growth happens. That is where the lazy version of you dies and the unstoppable version is born. Winners don't wait for the mood. They create the result. Remember, you don't need a miracle. You need a system. Start small, stay consistent, and take action, even when it hurts. Because the life you've always dreamed of is waiting for you, right on the other side of your discipline. If you're ready to stop making excuses and start making progress, hit that subscribe button and join us at Fix Your Life. If this video gave you a spark of clarity, leave a comment below with the word action so I know you're with me. Like and share this with one person who needs a wake-up call today. Let's grow together.